The first step in making your patio-sized raised bed is getting a BPA-free, dark-colored container and drilling holes in the bottom for drainage. The dark color will prevent algae from growing inside the container, but the outside we're going to want to spray paint white or some other light pastel color to reflect the sun so the heat doesn't heat up the container as much. You might need a few coats of spray paint, but make sure you don't get any inside the container. We don't want any spray paint where we're going to have our plants. Next, fill up the bin with raised bed dirt mix. Now it's time to add your plants. Make sure you put the tall ones in the back so they don't shade out the ones in the front. On a patio, it's really important to use your vertical space, so we're going to create a trellis using bamboo sticks and butcher's twine, so this way the plants can grow up the trellis. Don't forget to put some mulch down and water in your plants, and then you're done.